What up, what up? Call me Round 100 because I keep it 100. And this is all my sealed Pokemon that I have. And it's been 11 weeks into Pokemon. Sunday will be exactly 11 weeks. I first started when I was like around 8 to 10 years old. Collecting Pokemon, like really played the games. Pokemon. But I fell off. And now, this year, in January, sometime in January, my cousin told me, oh, you should invest in Pokemon. And I looked into it, and I seen all the nice artwork, and it caught my eye. That's why now I'm really into Pokemon, not just the investing part, because I'm not even investing right now. I'm fucking, excuse my language, but losing. But now, I'm just going to have fun with it. But anyways, so I keep these. I like blisters because on YouTube, see, I got these at the market price too, off, from the streets and stuff like that, online and like marketplaces stuff. But anyways, so I like these because you can see the packs. On YouTube, I seen like people was having selling fake booster bundles, and when they open it, it looked fake off top because the top right here, I don't know what it called, but it's like zigzag right here, so you can just rip it off easily and stuff like that. That's fake. Even when you rip the card in the middle, it showed, the real one is supposed to show some in the middle. But the fake ones don't have that. Don't have the stuff in the middle of the card when you rip it. But anyways, on my 5th week into Pokemon, I was on Whatnot app. I put an Umbreon Prismatic. I'm going to show y'all on the next stream. And the 6th week, on a Sunday also, I put a Charizard off the 151. That said beginner luck, I guess so. But anyways, we're about to crack this open right now. This is all sealed. Sealed. Yeah, let's get it. I'm still new to Pokemon, I didn't even know what Umbreon is until I pulled it, and it was crazy. People was going crazy on the chat on the on Whatnot. Shout out Captain Two Braid. That's where I put it on. Of Whatnot. Go follow him on Whatnot. And this is my 2nd box that I opened in person. My first one wasn't that much hit. My last video about the journey together, people say there's a higher hit rate, but on the booster bundle, I ain't even getting no good hits. All right. Put this on the side. Put that on the side. Open this up. Let's get it. With 9 packs, okay. Got that EV promo. Okay. Put that thing right there. By the way, I'm from California, East Bay area. We got these 9-pack Prismatic. This thing feels kind of heavy. Yeah. Y'all know what's in there. Y'all into Pokemon. I've been through it, so let's get with it. Let's get to it. Hey. All right. Go for the top. Get it. Go for the top, man. Alright, I see some YouTubers and whatnot. That's what they do. Put that thing right there. Boop. Alright. Picture Black belt training. Badoo. Keep moving. Alright. Houndoom. No hits. I'm gonna speed this up. See that? My ripper game on point right now. Meant to be. Just gonna spread it like this. Look, watch this. Wham! No hits. Yeah, I heard the Prismatic hard to hit. Just for that God pack, you know. I'll try to manifest it, man, right now. Let's see. I'm about to manifest it. Alright, God pack is coming. God pack is coming. I feel it. I feel it just like I feel that Zard and that Zard when I hit it. That Zard, I felt that. I knew it. And I got that for $11 on whatnot. A pack. Alright. Get straight to it. Let me see what's the last one. There's a mark right there. That's probably the card. Why it look like that? Damn, man. Whoever made this card suck. Okay, I got a Pokeball. Black belt training. Put this on the side. Novern EX. Guess that's how you pronounce it. All right. It's cool. All right. You know, these EX should worth more, man, because some artwork, pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. You know. All right. Get it. Hoping for the God pack. Just gonna get straight to it, man. Straight to it. No good. All right. Try to be in a happy mood, man. Come on. Hit. Let it rip. Fresh. Come on, baby. God pack. Ha! Oh, yeah. Forgot about this. Okay. Come on, baby. Okay, I see something sparkling back there. Something shining back there. Shine. Yeah. Hella weak. Alright. Third pack. No. Come in 6-pack. No, it comes in 9-pack. This is my 6-pack. Damn. It would have been like what? Hollow, what's it called? Eevee? Man, it would have been good. It would have been a God pack right there, which I seen on YouTube and never seen in real life. Alright. Try to go down slowly. Okay, the trainer. Come on. Gotta be forward trainer at least. That's IR trainer or IR or whatever. That's a research. No hits. Sylvia Hollow. No good. No good. No good. All right. Sam Lim. I'm on my 7-pack. Hit. I should roll that dice. See what card. What oh no. Man. Never mind. The dice got a high number. Alright. Alright, that's something right there. Is that like gold? EX. Oh, Pokeball, another Pokeball. Hold up, it could be another hit behind it. Could be another hit behind it. Come on, please, SR. Oh, no, it's not. Show now, it's an EX. A regular EX. Dang, I already got that card. Umbreon. The wrong Umbreon. It's coming. Just like so earlier, I mean, when I put that big Umbreon, I put this first on the whatnot. And then, because I bought 3-pack for $32, right? I seen this one. And I was about to text the cousin coming or the twin coming. And then boom. It happened so fast that I didn't even see it came out. I was over there trying to, text on the comments. Yeah. 2 hits. Okay. 2 banger. Okay. 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 Let me get the other one. I'll leave this hanging right here, man. No. All right. Gotta blow that bit. Try not to cuss. Try not to cuss. Can't post it on, trying to make it kids friendly, but it's too late. I think I already cursed. Let's get that God pack, man. Come on. God pack. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's guess the energy. What? Fire. Water. The enemy of fire. All right. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Be shiny. Be shiny. Come on, Eevee. Eevee Pokeball. It would have been a God pack. Nope. Larian. Okay. Bring your father. Bam! No hits. All right, last pack magic. That's what y'all call it. All right, let's get it. Ooh, it was too easy. Meant to be, baby. Meant to be. Let's get it. Get it. Ooh, that felt thick right there. That felt thick. Gotta be some hollow. I'm gonna guess this energy. 5. Psych. Okay, see, it's heavy. Come on. Come on. Right. Come on, Pokeball. Come on. Nope. Doom. Another Pokeball. Okay. Pokeball should be a good hit too. Shoot, but guess it's not. It's too easy to pull, I guess. Let's see. What's next? First hollow. Okay. Mission failed. Make me want to open this now. Should I open that? Hey. Comment, what should I do next? Comment, what should I do next, man? Yeah. Thinking about opening this, what you call these sleeves? It's called sleeve. See these shiny things should be a better set in there, but I don't know why they didn't do should be exclusive. I really like the 151, you know, and the Prismatics, and Surgeon Sparks too. There we go, no hits. Open these things right here, man. That away. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weak hits. 5 weak hits. I assume it's weak. I think it's weak. Maybe that's worth like $6. I don't know. But hey, so I'm doing for fun now. My money going down the drain. Doesn't even matter. Until I hit the God Pack. Woo! Open one of these right here. Boom. Okay. See, they could have put God Pack on this. It would have been more interesting. I guess not. Let's see, man. Separate that. Prismatic. Yeah, I used to be a gambler. I'm over here opening like I used to play cards at the casino. Well, I was still gambling on Pokemon cards now and whatnot. That break, man, that'd be taking my money. I'll be paying like $40 to $50 over a card chasing Prismatic and shit. Okay, no hits. No hit. See, these weak. I really don't like Journey like that. I don't know why I bought it. Well, I didn't know much. It came out new, so I bought all of these. I got some couple for retail, and I opened one already, and I got a market price too. So I got it for retail and market. Check this out. One more pack. It is not even worth me opening these no more. I'd rather save these until years later. Might even worth more. Like everything else, right? Like everything else. Come on, Pika. Mwah. Is it like this? With these cards? Come on. Come on. Come here, SIR. Make it a banger. Ha! No hits. Hella weak. I don't want to open this now. Cut it short. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hey!